Just because you are living does not mean that you are actually alive. And just because you are awake doesn't actually mean that you are woke. Dear friends, remember that every day, every moment is a gift. And that if you spend your entire life and every day and each moment worrying about what happened in the past or focused on the potential fears in the future, you'll never actually be able to capture what's alive in the moment, in the now, which is where the magic happens. The keys occur that unlock your future and guide you into your highest potentials. So stay alert to what feels dead or necrotic inside of you and wake it up. Bring life back to it and experience. Don't just create experiences for others, but experience life yourself. Feel it all, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And before you know it, everything will be transformed. All of your life will feel alive, and you won't just be rolling through the moments like a Groundhog Day.